Hey y'all, Crescenda here. I got my natural hair braided up into a ponytail, but to make the bun bigger, I added crochet box braids. If you want to see how I did that, keep on watching. Here's a quick before and after. The left is my natural hair, the right is with the crochet hair added. Here's my hair before I put it in a bun. Here, I'm just giving you a 360 because if you're like me, I be wanting all the angles of a style. And if you're trying to count, I have 21 braids in my head. Alright, let's get this bun together. Y'all, I was struggling when it came to getting this bun small. My hair is just too long for it to be a small bun, but what I did to get it as small as possible was just twirl my hair as tight as I could, and as I was putting the ponytail holder on, I smushed my hair down to make it flat. As flat as I could make it. A lot of this video is in real time, which means it's not sped up, so I hope this helps you figure out how you can make it work for you. Here's my finished bun, and you'll see that I have a ponytail holder going across the top of my bun, and I did that because I was trying to just keep my bun together and make it as flat as I could. And because of that, I had to add a couple extra crochet braids to cover up the ponytail holder. This is the first method that I used, and I crocheted the braids directly into my bun. When it comes to crochet braids, there are different size braids. You want to get the crochet braids that match as close as possible to the size of the cornrows that you have. You don't want to have small cornrows and large box braids. Also, when it comes to crocheting the box braids into your bun, you want to use the same amount or super close to the same amount of box braids as you have cornrows in your head. You can use way less, but I would not use too many more because it will get heavy. I ended up with around 30 crochet braids in my head. I don't remember if I took some out because it got so heavy, but once I made my bun the first time, I realized that you could see the ponytail holder that was looped over the bun, so I added a couple extra to cover that up. I knew I wasn't putting no more crochet braids in my head, but I got to this point and I thought it was so cute. So one of these days, I'll probably just get a long braided ponytail with braiding hair added because this is just super cute to me. So at this point, it's getting really heavy, so I'm not going to crochet the top part. I started adding crochet braids in the back, and I don't even think I was halfway up the bun by the time it started getting heavy. Luckily, my crochet braids match my hair like super closely, and I didn't even have to cover up my full bun with the crochet braids. I just started twirling the hair and created the bun. You can space your crochet braids out much more than I did and make your bun look how you want it to look. You don't have to twirl it around like I did. You get the look that you want and you just play around with it. Once you get to the ends, you want to make sure to tuck them under, and then you're just going to put a ponytail holder or 2 or 3 or 4 or a bunch of bobby pins, whichever one you prefer. I used a bunch of ponytail holders. Here's my finished bun with the crochet hair added. Right in the middle where I'm pointing is my natural hair, so the crochet braids blend in really well with my hair. The before with my natural hair is on the left. On the right is my bun with the crochet hair added. Now onto the second method. For this method I used ponytail holders, and I started off using the latch hook to put the crochet braids on the ponytail holder, but I was legit struggling, y'all. It don't make no sense how confused I was doing this. I even thought I had it on there right, and it came right off. So I just used my hands, and it was so much quicker, so much easier. Yeah, just use your hands, y'all. So you're going to put one end of the crochet braid through the ponytail holder. Then you're going to take the end of the crochet braid, put it through the loop on the crochet hair, and then just tighten it around the ponytail holder. Once you're done looping all the crochet braids onto the ponytail holder, it should look like this. I had 2 ponytail holders with crochet braids on it. One had 14, one had 10, so a total of 24. Here's a quick before and after. The left is my bun with my natural hair. The right is with the crochet hair added. Here's a quick look at my natural hair braided up into a bun. This is not the same braided ponytail from method 1. It's the same exact style, but my second time getting it, and I also have 21 braids. So you're going to take a ponytail holder with the crochet braids on it and put it over your bun like you would a regular ponytail. Now you can wrap it twice. I didn't, but you can. So because I didn't put the ponytail holder onto my ponytail tight, I can't pull hard because it's super stretchy. So I just started wrapping, and I wrapped it very loosely while I'm holding the hair in place. So this is the ponytail holder with the 10 crochet braids on it, and I could have just stopped here, but I decided to use the other ponytail holder with the rest of the crochet braids on it. But if you don't want that many braids in your head, you don't have to put that many. You just want to make sure that the color of the crochet braids blends in with your natural hair. So this is my bun with the 10 crochet braids. Now I'm adding the second ponytail holder with the rest of the crochet braids. For the first ponytail holder, I had them go at an angle up to the right, and then I wrapped it around, and this one I have it going up and slanted to the left in order to make the bun symmetrical. Now right here, you see how the bun is not sitting flush up against my head? I noticed it, and I'm going to push it down so it's not just up there floating. Here is where I realized it, and I'm just going to adjust the bun and push it down in order to make it flatter. The before with my natural hair is on the left, and the right is with the crochet hair added. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.